Hello, this is Fun with Resolutions. Today we will test two resolutions for durability. Test 1 will be aerodynamics test, test 2 will be flammability test, and test 3 will be hydrophobic test. Let us resolve this problem. Aerodynamics test.
I left the house, left the room with a foxy on my back and my supplies in a magic bag, and I followed the sound of music, not up a hill but down to an old wharf shack. Inside I heard the trumpets call, a salute to the champions on the wall, and in the jazz of squalls and in passion brawls she danced.
After conducting the first experiment and making these calculations, we concluded that the winner of test 1 is resolution number 1. Flammability test. By the demand of the president of the session, together with me is emergency backup unit to help me in case of emergency. Hydrophobic test. We have two resolutions made as H2O bombs.
Kenny Best, sweetie pie, wanna be adored. I'm the girl you die for. I'll chew you up and I'll spit you out, 'cause that's what young love is all about.
After making the calculations, we concluded there are no resolutions left for General Assembly. Therefore, we assume it is a tie.